Today we're going to be learning about sign language. In the upcoming clips, we're going to learn how to sign the alphabet and the numbers 1 through 10. Now that you've learned your ABCs, it's time to review your 1, 2, 3s. So let's review our numbers 1 through 10 once again. We'll do it slowly and then we'll speed it up once again. So number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And do you remember twice or 3 times? So we take that 2 twice and 3 times. A little bit faster now, one final time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations, you've gone through the numbers 1 through 10 and the alphabet A through Z.